Let's take a fun and breezy stroll through the fascinating world of antidepressants, tiny chemical messengers that help lift our mood when life gets a bit too heavy. Imagine your brain as a bustling city where neurotransmitters are like tiny couriers delivering messages across synapses, the little gaps between neurons. When things are balanced, the city runs smoothly, but sometimes the couriers go on strike, leading to a lull in mood and motivation. Hello, depression. Enter antidepressants, the diligent postal workers of the brain. Their main job, modulating neurochemical activity to restore harmony. The classic idea behind this is the monoamine hypothesis, which suggests that depression is caused by an imbalance of monoamines, serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine. Think of them as the brain's mood lifelines. When these messengers are in short supply or not functioning properly, mood dips. Antidepressants aim to fix this by increasing their availability at the synapse, the communication hub. How do they do this? Well, many work by blocking the reuptake of these neurotransmitters. That's a fancy way of saying they prevent the neurotransmitters from being scooped back up into the neuron after they've done their job. Imagine leaving more water in the sink, more serotonin or norepinephrine hanging around to do their thing. For example, SSRIs or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors like fluoxetine or sertraline specifically block the serotonin transporter. Keeping serotonin in the synapse longer. SNRIs or serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors such as venlafaxine and duloxetine will do a job, grabbing both serotonin and norepinephrine. Then there's bupropion, which is a bit of a rebel, targeting dopamine and norepinephrine, giving a boost to motivation and energy. Tricyclic antidepressants? They're older, but broad spectrum, blocking multiple monoamine reuptake sites, though they come with some anticholinergic side effects. Monoamine oxidase inhibitors, or MOIs, work a bit differently. They prevent the breakdown of monoamines by inhibiting the enzyme monoamine oxidase, but they require a careful diet to avoid tyramine spikes. The antidepressants aren't just about boosting neurotransmitters, they also spark changes in the brain structure and function. Thanks to neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. Antidepressants promote neurogenesis, especially in the hippocampus, the center for memory and emotion. They also influence the limbic system, which handles our feelings, and the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and impulse control. Think of it as remodeling your brain's emotional headquarters for better mood regulation. Because at the end of the day, understanding these time messages and their pathways like unlock the secret code to feeling better, one step at a time. Remember, in the complex dance of brain chemistry, there's always room for hope.